Hello and welcome to this short video on the medium baby kit stand. The medium baby kit stand is a lightweight but robust aluminum light stand offering long-lasting solid support. The medium baby kit stand features nut and bolt construction for easy maintenance and repair, all metal cupola knobs for maximum durability, double leg braces for increased stability, a solid aluminum welded baby 5/8 inch mounting stud. The stand comes with aluminum brake castings and stainless steel helicoil inserts to protect the castings from solid steel tension bolts. This stand weighs 5.5 pounds and easily supports 22 pounds. Collapsed, it measures 34.6 inches for storage and travel. The medium baby kit stand has a minimum height of 34.3 inches and a maximum height of 113 inches. This stand features square leg tubing for maximum strength and stability. To open the stand, loosen the knob above the legs, pull the legs open until the braces are parallel to the floor, and tighten the knob until snug. This stand also features a leveling leg that lets you level your stand on inclines or on uneven terrain like some stairs or these apple boxes. Place the Elinchro Monolites baby receiver on the mounting stud and tighten the set screw until snug. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.